Hello and welcome to Zoom Guide. I am Saroj Mehta. I am your computer teacher. In this video, I will be guiding you how to install Zoom app and how to enter in the classroom. So dear student, we all are aware that due to ongoing corona pandemic, school have to remain closed for quite a bit. So if you can't come to school, we at Vasisth Vidyalaya are bringing the school to you. So let's begin with the installation process, how to install Zoom application on your mobile phone. Students, being just another application, it is as easy as installing a game on your mobile phone. So first of all, start by clicking on the Play Store icon on your mobile phone, and in the search bar type Zoom online class or Zoom cloud meeting. And as shown here, simply click on the install button and wait for the app to install on your mobile phone. So once installed, how do we enter in the classroom? Well, it's quite easy. Click on the newly installed app Zoom app icon as I have shown on the screen and push the join a meeting button. Student, remember, you are not to sign in or sign up. You have to simply click on join a meeting button. As soon as you click on join a meeting button, you will be asked to enter meeting ID and your name. Meeting IDs are received by you in the timetable and in the message sent by the school. Student, one more thing that you have to keep in your mind, if your sibling is also in the Vasisth Vidyalaya but in different standard, do not connect with the same ID, your meeting ID will be different. Also take a note, if class timing is same, you have to use a different device, you have to use two different mobile phones. You will be then asked for password. The password come along with the message containing meeting ID. For us, it will be digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once in, you will be asked for call via device audio. Students, listen very carefully. It is very essential for you to make sure that you click on the button listen the meeting. Otherwise, you will be not able to listen to the teacher. When clicked, you will be asked permission to allow the Zoom app to record audio. Click allow button. If you enter the meeting, you will with the incorrect name or with the device name, no need to worry. You can rename yourself in the app itself. Simply click on the participant option and your name shall appear on the top of the list. You can see here tab on the name, click on rename option and enter the name as per requirement. You can see example here, I have written 01, it's my roll number, 6th A is my class, and then type your name. Let's take a look one more option that you as a student may use while in a meeting, that is interaction with the host or interaction with the teacher. If during the meeting you wish to interact with the teacher or you want to share something, click on the more option in the corner of the screen and then click on the chat to go to the chat box. You can type there your doubt, answer or ideas you wish to share. And if you wish to interact with the teacher, you can click on the raise hand option as shown on the screen. This will make your name to go to the top of the host list and you may communicate with teacher personally. So moving to the end of the presentation, if you face any network issue or you are not able to communicate with the teacher or you are not able to listen to the teacher, you can leave the meeting and re-enter the classroom as instructed earlier. To leave the meeting, click on the leave option on the upper corner of the screen and then click on leave meeting to exit the classroom. You may enter the classroom once more using the link or meeting ID and password again. That's bring us end of the slide. Hope you like the presentation and understood what you have to do to have a smooth experience on online learning. At the end, I wish to say stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. Happy e-learning to you all. Thank you and bye-bye.